In order to change the icon style and shape on the Realme GT 7T, the first thing that we need to do is go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to wallpapers and style. And then here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find icons. Here we have different options related to the shape and or style of icons. And if you go to custom, you can also choose your own shape. So as you can see, we have 5 different shapes that we can choose from. If you scroll down, we also have some additional optimization, customization options, and so on and so forth. So be sure to check that out. However, some options have limited customization settings, and so on and so forth. And if you go to more, you should be able to also find the theme store, where we can, of course, get new styles or themes for icons from the store. Once you are done with customization, press apply, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.